How to log in to FedEx. So if you want to log into FedEx, then first you need to open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and then go for the search bar and search for FedEx. Once you've searched, here you can go for the first search, which is www.fedex.com, and from here you can choose English or you can choose your location. And once you've chosen, here you will have sign up or login option on the upper right. Click on that and then go for login. And once you go for login, here you can see that it will take you to the login page. So to log into your account, first you need to enter your user ID. So enter your user ID. Once you enter your user ID, you need to enter your password on the next blank. But if you don't remember your password, then you can simply go for forgot your user ID or password so that you can get some help while logging into your account. But if you remember your password and user ID, then enter your password and the user ID. And then you can simply go for login, which is here. And once you click on login, it will log you into your FedEx account if your information is correct. So that's it. And that's how you log into your FedEx account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.